my wife and I, we wanted to move up out of Newport Beach, and we were going to take the back part den and needed to convert it into a living area and a wet bar slash kitchenette area, and then we're going to do an add-on to that. So we're kind of doing a European model of putting two families underneath one roof, and it's a creative way to do that. Well, it was either that or we're going to need to move to Idaho or Texas or Colorado, and we wouldn't be near family. So this was a creative thought process of how to merge two into one. So there you go. The goal was to have that whole kitchenette built out by the time we moved in. So it's a very tight process. I mean, everything, it was almost like you couldn't waste a day because of what needed to happen from beginning to end. And so I felt like Gold Coast laid a map out, and there was really good communication in the contract about what was Gold Coast's responsibility and what was our responsibility, and with some deadline dates when we needed to have our part done so they could get their part in terms of sinks and faucets and backsplash and all of that. Yeah, and that was pretty smooth. I felt like, and the truth, if you were to fast forward, we got it done on time. That's the biggest thing. So we finished up the last minor adjustments on, I think, a Wednesday, and we moved in on the following Sunday. So the kitchen was complete. It's been great. We've enjoyed every bit of it. Yeah, and I think if I could blow Gold Coast horn a little bit, I felt like Joey, the main contractor, I think one of the shining points that he brings to the table is his accessibility. I think he probably works 24/7, and but when you shoot him a text or you make a phone call, and even if it's after hours, he's always picking up or gets right back to you. So he knew he was on a tight frame, but I think he'd probably treat any customer that way.